Hey guys, this is Omar with ABC Austin Service Express, and we just did a big duct job. There are a couple of vans over there, my truck, some of the guys. And there's another van over there that I have back there. We're gonna go inside here really quick, see if we got time. Upstairs, there's two systems. It might be kind of dark, but it is dark. Oops, turn on the light. There's a light. So, this is system number 1 right here. And we added a 5-inch, 4-inch filter right here where this opens up. You got a filter inside, you change it out every 6 to 9 months. And here's the other. These systems were installed a couple years ago. But this is the duct job. This is a return air. That means air gets sucked in through there. There's another one that we replaced, that filter. Oops, right here. These are gas units. This is the plenum. We don't have any ducts on top. You're not supposed to. You want to stay at least 12 inches away from the beginning here. There for air to work. To come out properly, you don't want no ducts here, nor ducts at the end. And no ducts on top because the gravity still comes into play. This is just, I know you don't understand, but the old ducts were all torn. This is all the duct works. It's a big job. We put mastic, that way it seals and no air gets sucked in. All these connections have mastic on them. Nothing gets sucked in. Mastic, is that gray? Okay, looks good. Okay guys. Omar with ABC Austin Service Express. Call us for our air conditioning, heating, and refrigeration needs. 512-448-0532. 512-448-0532. You can also find us on the web at www.abcaustinacandheating.com. Okay, thanks guys. See you guys in the next video. Bye.